Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make iMessage blue instead of green. Alright, so it's a common misconception whether a green or blue badge is just a theme. No, it's not. It is a service from Apple that means if it's blue, well, iMessage service is enabled. If it's green, it is only set to text message only or SMS. Alright, so I hope that's clear. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn it to blue, make sure that you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi. Then go ahead over to settings, scroll all the way down, find apps, tap on it. Now, go ahead and scroll down a bit and find messages, okay? So tap on messages and just make sure that iMessage right here is enabled. Now, tip right here, when you go ahead and send a message, tap on compose. Make sure that you enter a number that is iMessage enabled as well. So for example, the recipient uses iPhone and iMessage is enabled on their settings as well. When you go ahead and tap on the text field, as you can see, it is set to blue text right here. And when you type down a message, instead of a green, it is blue as well right here in the send button. Okay. So again, if it's set to green, the number is green, the bubble is green, the send button is green, well, that means that you're only sending to SMS. And that is how you make iMessage blue instead of green. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.